Here's a PowerStar electric tankless water heater that I picked up at a second-hand store. It doesn't look like it's ever been installed. I took the two screws in the back and 2 screws in the front out so I could look inside of it just to fully examine it, and it looks very clean. There's no sign that it's ever been hooked up. None of the terminals here look like they've ever been hooked up before, and there's no water nowhere. There was a little bit of water in the line here when I took this off the first time, but I think that's part of the testing they do at the factory, just where they run some water through it. But this is it. Again, it's a PowerStar electric tankless water heater. Model AE115. Thank you for watching this video.